Thanks for your interest in LeafBone, the hands-free leaf net skimmer clip. Our clip is a simple and easy way to skim leaves from your pool and not plug your skimmer basket. Once you remove LeafBone from the package, simply insert your favorite leaf rake net into the small end of the clip. It's tapered inside and should tightly grip the handle of your net. Then snap the LeafBone clip onto your ladder handrail. You can position it above the water line or below the water line. Then adjust the net so it is close to the pool wall. The water flow from the return jets will move leaves and bugs around the pool and into your net. If your net handle is too loose, you can use the plastic tabs that come with the leaf rake net to hold it in place with the LeafBone, or a wrap or two of electrical tape around the handle will hold it in place as well. If your ladder handrail is smaller than the normal 1.9 inch stainless steel handrail shown here, you can wrap a piece of weather strip foam around your handrail and improve the grip of the LeafBone. If you have an above ground pool or an in-ground pool with no ladder, we also offer a leaf skimmer kit that mounts on the top rail of an above ground pool or a movable base for an in-ground pool, as you can see there. Thanks, and we hope you enjoy a cleaner pool using LeafBone.